Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Blink outdoor camera, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Blink outdoor camera. Ensure you have all the necessary components, the camera, mounting bracket, screws, and batteries. Insert the batteries into the camera. Make sure the batteries are installed correctly with the positive and negative terminals aligned. Next, download the Blink app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account or log into your existing account. Once logged in, tap on the Add a Camera option. Select Blink Outdoor from the list of devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera. You will need to scan the QR code displayed in the app using the camera. After scanning, wait for the camera to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi network name and password ready. Once connected, you can customize the camera's settings in the app. Choose your preferences for motion detection, video quality, and notifications. Now, decide where you want to mount the camera. Use the provided mounting bracket and screws to secure the camera in place. Ensure the camera has a clear view of the area you want to monitor. After installation, test the camera to confirm it is functioning properly. Use the app to check the live view and verify that everything is set up correctly. Adjust the camera angle as necessary to optimize coverage. Lastly, explore the app's features to make the most of your Blink outdoor camera. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.